Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to another evening episode where we are still exploring our negative space pores, which I'm having a lot of fun with. They've been really fun. I think once I figured out about making the base coat thinner so that it spreads a lot easier, then it's been just joyful. So this is awesome. Tonight we're working on a 20 by 20 gallery wrapped canvas. I have taped the back and put my push pins in. And I have painted my sides and edges with my base coat color already so that it covers everything and I don't have to stress out about it, because I like to stress out about things apparently. So let me show you the colors. We are using some of the same colors from that Sea of Dunes painting that you guys just saw. The first one is this beautiful Folk Art Treasure Gold series blue quartz. Beautiful stuff. Not too thick, but it is leaving a mound on a mound before it sinks into itself. And I think I did add some of this Vallejo Pearl Medium to that, just to thicken it up, just a touch. So that's our blue quartz. Last time I used it in that Sea of Dunes one, it did kind of take over because I guess I was using thicker layers. So lesson learned, thinner layers of that one tonight. Okay, next we're still using that same cup of Amsterdam bronze. This is going on 3 pours now. That's this one. Such a beautiful color though. I really love the way this dried. The first one that we used it in the other day, the first negative space pour, it dried really, really beautiful because I didn't have it paired next to white. In the Sea of Dunes one, I did have it next to white, and it actually spread out. That looked really, really pretty. So we're going to use the bronze again. I also have my Amsterdam titanium white. Okay, and then I have taken what was left of the Prussian blue and put it into my scraped drippings off the table that was mostly turquoise, and so now it's a little bit darker because of that Prussian blue, but this is still a very, very pretty color. So that's our base coat. It's turquoise and Prussian and the drips, and and last but not least, I am using my Dioxizine Purple from Liquitex Basics. Put that away. I got these nice big tubs from Amazon. Is it 32 ounces? Wonderful stuff. It's like pudding. But I love this. I love how thick it is. Everything is mixed with Liquitex Gloss Medium and the paint and Floetrol tonight. Okay, so that's our Dioxazine Purple. All right, so let's layer our cup and then we'll put our base coat down. So, smaller layers of the blue quartz. I gotta remember that. Okay, we're gonna start with that same bronze. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then a little bit of white. And then we're going to go right into that beautiful Dioxazine Purple. Kind of a thicker layer of that. Maybe even a little more. And then not too much blue quartz. Just a little bit. I think I went crazy with it last time. And we're going to put, I'm not going to use the bronze next to that blue quartz either. I want to put a layer of white in between them. Bronze color. Go into that Dioxazine Purple again. Blue quartz again. The white. I think that's going to do it. Okay. So let's move that out of the way. Canvas back over. I'm going to put our base coat down. Very pretty color. I'm going to go across here. That's good. That is just good. I'm sorry. Okay. Good. Those across here. And let that flip down. taking some time doing this before you start your pour, but it saves you a lot of time to do it. And it's much easier to fix the space coat now before you have pour in there. You don't want to tilt too much. Because that's the point of watching negative space. Okay, that's good. Hands up, we'll push that real quick. Just hold it down. Or keep it easy. Okay. I'm gonna wet my hand off one more time, otherwise I'm gonna drop that cup. Okay, let's do a wandering ring pour. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
I am ready.
We're gonna go from this corner to the other corner. Here we go. Give that a second. That's really pretty. I love this part in here. And I really like this part. Okay, this is awesome. Alright, let's see. I'm going to take some of that off of that edge. I'm going to take this down. Get rid of a little bit of that purple. And maybe some of the blue. Okay. Take it back down to the other edge. And center the weight of the paint again. Stretch it out on that side a little bit. Come down just a little bit. Go off this corner. Down. I see something in that paint. Oh, purple. Yep. Where we were going that way. Okay. Down and introduce a little bit of curve. Slide it over this way and maybe take a little bit of that blue off at the bottom. I'm going to stretch this out just a little bit because I don't want it one even line. That looks pretty cool. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah.
Yeah? What if we did a marble through there?
Ooh.
You think, or no?
I can't predict what it would do to say yes or no. You always do beautiful work with the marbles, so if you think it'll look cool, I'm sure it will. Usually when you do the marble, it's, you know, the lines are running in lots of different directions.
Cool, because it'll actually go through all of these lines. Yeah, let's try it. It's the worst can happen.
Just boring.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, I think I do want to try the marble on here, because there's a lot of really beautiful lines in here, and when the marble goes through them, it's going to hopefully do some really, really pretty things. So, I actually want to start about here. You ready, Joey?
Yep.
That's pretty cool. I like that. I'm gonna wipe it off real quick.
Yeah, it's cool because you never pour that.
Let's start about over here. Closing out one more though. Let's start it over here. Up. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I didn't know the Indy 500 was this weekend. Okay, I like that. That's really cool. That's very cool. I'm happy I did that. That's awesome. Take a chance. Take a chance on me.
Take a chance, take a chance, take a chance, take a chance.
Okay, so that's kind of awesome. I love that. It's funny because one of the things that we're always battling is bugs, that they seem to love the smell of the paint, and sometimes they often do meander. And so that's what I was actually thinking when it was going. I'm like, oh, we're celebrating the bugs crawling through the pictures. But this is kind of awesome. I love this. I love the composition. I think that marbling really added a lot to it. I like the colors. I'm very happy with this one. So I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. We'll be right back. Very happy with it.
That's really cool. Also, after I think about it.
Do you think it added a lot to it or no?
Yeah, I definitely think I had that one. I got a couple of thumbprints on this side. Fortunately, they're just in the turquoise.
Okay, so this is a few days later and it's dry now. I really like how this one turned out. It's very, very pretty. Really just kind of lighthearted and happy and floaty and ethereal. Actually really reminds me a lot of a butterfly wing. Especially with all the marbling in there, the detail kind of gives it a lot of texture and dimension. Really, really pretty stuff happening in here. This is the turquoise phthalo base coat. There's our Dioxizine Purple. I got some pretty blending, some cool colors in there from the blending between the bronze and the Dioxazine Purple and the Naples Yellow. But I love the depth that the Dioxazine Purple brings when it's darker. And that blue quartz is a beautiful color. Really, really pretty. Really nice stuff in here with the bronze. Beautiful stuff. The base coat dried beautifully. Again, paint your edges and sides. Keep your base coats thinner. Tilt them out. Get a pretty base coat. So this one was really, really fun. I really like this piece a lot. Makes me very happy. So this was kind of awesome, you guys. And I think I actually am in Texas when you guys are seeing this. So Sunday morning, we are going to be doing a live stream, my first ever live from Massey Art Studios with Sarah Mack and Kathleen Osmore and the Massey Boys. It's going to be so much fun. I can't wait to have this happen. And I will see you guys then. Thank you so, so much for being here with us. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. And we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.